Hello, it's Monday, November the 8th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar strengthened versus most major currencies after US non-farm payrolls rose more than expected last month, 151,000 versus 63,000 forecast. The Nasdaq and the Dow increased by 0.06% and 0.08% respectively. Crude strengthened by 0.5% to close at $86.91 a barrel, its highest price in 2 years, and gold closed at $1,397.70 an ounce, a new historic record. The euro weakened versus the dollar after the US data supporting a stronger dollar. The euro dollar has a strong upward trend. As long as the price remains above the 10-day moving average, a long position is preferred. If the pair breaks below the 139.80 level, the price could drop to 139. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 140.24 and a high of 142.30. Today, German industrial production is expected to decline from 1.70% to 0.40%. The pound declined from its 10-month high versus the dollar as a government report showed US employers added more jobs than forecast last month, and a declaration from Bernanke about the lower inflation expectation led the investors to favor the dollar over the pound. The momentum of the pound dollar is absolutely bullish, and as long as the price is trading above 161 and above the 10-day moving average, a long position is preferred. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 161.66 and a high of 162.79. The yen weakened versus the dollar following the positive US data. The dollar yen has been trading around the 80-81 area in the last few days, with main support on the daily chart still at 80. Momentum remains bearish as long as it continues to trade below 82. Above, the dollar yen traded with a low of 80.62 and a high of 81.46. The Canadian dollar erased an earlier loss versus the dollar on Friday. Unemployment rate came out at 7.9% versus 8% forecast. Support for the dollar CAD on the daily chart is at 0.9980. If it breaks down, a short position is preferred. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9991 and a high of 1.0089. Today, housing starts are expected at 181,000 versus 186,000 prior. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.